Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Poppy Tech. Today I got something in pretty cool here from Japan. It's the brand new Sega Astro City Mini arcade cabinet. And this is a mini version of their 1993 arcade cabinet from Japan. And this thing, so, you've seen the Nintendo Mini, Sega Genesis Mini. Well, here's the Astro City Mini. I don't even remember what I paid for it. Way too much. It was over $100. But got it. We're gonna do a little unboxing. Might power it up, show you what it looks like. And I'm thinking I'll make a real video out of it soon. But let's start just by showing off what's in it. And just so you can see here, it's got all these '90s games. There's Virtua Fighter there at the top, Radmobile. I think that's Alien Syndrome. But you can see there, that's just some of the games. Of note, it's one of the only authentic ways to play the sequel to Golden Axe in the arcade. Golden Axe: The Revenge of Death Adder. So, kind of cool. Kind of cool. And again, this is for their Go Sega 60th anniversary. So yeah, let's go here. Sorry, this is my first tripod unboxing thing. So the goal is to make these videos better, but we'll see how it goes. It's got what I assume are some instructions here. And then here we've got, I'm admittedly not really sure. So this thing's got a screen. This powers on its own here, but it's also got HDMI. There's, I assume, either micro USB to power it up, I guess. I think it takes batteries, though. I don't know. We'll find out together here. And of course, the Astro City Mini. So of course this has its own little screen, but it's fully functional. Kinda cool. Little buttons there. It's like an Astro City decal there at the top. Yeah, so on the back here you've got, it's kinda cool, you got your HDMI out, but there's also some USB ports. You can plug in controllers. They even sell a bigger version of this arcade stick that you can plug into here. It has a DC in, yep, so you can power it with micro USB and phone. Oh, headphones, duh. You can plug some headphones in. There's a little power switch, and I thought maybe that would be a battery slot. No, I thought this took batteries. No batteries. Gotta be plugged in, as far as I can tell. But Sega Astro City Mini. Let's get her powered up. I got some power right here actually, so we'll get it going. Alright, kind of cool. It's glowing up here. Alright, so excuse the mess in the background here. Let's peel off our little screen guy. That crystal clear gaming action. Hit the switch on the back. Oh, and it even lets me choose English. Wonderful, 'cause I'm not Japanese. Alright, cool. Let's see if I can show you a little better. It's got a little menu, you can get through all the games here. Now, does it have a volume of any sort? Now, volume is controlled digitally. Brightness. Let's kick that up. Get some wallpaper settings. I can choose other things. You can make it look like an analog display. This is cool. Let's play a game quick. Oh yeah. Virtua Fighter's always fun, right? I don't even know what half of these are. Well, sorry. I know what most of these are. There's a few that are like, what? Columns. Yeah, the Bros columns too. Red Mobile. Let's go Virtua Fighter. Everyone knows that. That's a nice little screen. I don't know what the resolution is. Probably nothing crazy. But it's a full-blown old Sega emulator. It's this Model 2, I think. I have to insert coins. I always played as Sarah Bryant. Yeah, I'm terrible at this, but point is, this is a cool little system. You can go put this on your desk at work or something, I don't know. And that's actually my brother. Sarah's brother, rather. Cool. So, let's say I wanted to get out of this, right? Maybe I press both of these? Yep. They would. You can do save states. This is a cool little system. So, I'm going to play around a little more with this. Maybe you'll see some more videos of it here on the channel. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to see those. Let me know if there's something you'd like to see this do. I might hook it up. Well, I got options. So, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it, guys. You take care.